We're underway again.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Van Persie. Van Persie. Tries a through ball. Out of play for a goal kick. Julio Cesar. Tries a long pass towards the front. Can he finish? They've managed to get it away.
Yeah, the defence had him exactly where they wanted him there. Didn't even give him the space or the room to turn. And I think if they can keep him facing the other way, then his threat becomes a much lesser issue.
Bayern Munich are still that goal to the good. And it's Van Persie. Can he finish? They've scored!
Oh, listen, the writing was on the wall. It looked like this was going to happen, and it has.